Let's jump right into this explainer from Service Leader Academy. We're talking about making your operation run without you.
Look at this quote. Being organized isn't just a personal preference, it's absolutely a professional obligation.
Here's why. When a Ford dealership advisor took unexpected medical leave, instant chaos broke out. It literally took her manager 2 full days just to untangle her active workload. 2 whole days. Why? Because of missing notes and unverified claims. Without her there to fill the gaps, everything stalled.
So we need to rethink your work in progress. It's not just cars. It's literally your professional fingerprint. To fix this, adopt this daily routine. Morning, midday, and afternoon reviews keep everything totally transparent.
Now check out this massive mindset shift. Writing notes isn't extra work, it is the actual job.
Thorough documentation covers every single stage, from parts to tech findings. It leaves absolutely zero room for guessing.
And you can't wait until quitting time. You gotta log every update the exact moment it happens.
This is crucial for extended warranties. Undocumented claims will instantly destroy your dealership's finances and customer trust.
The second an authorization call ends, write down these exact details. Protect your financial and legal records.
All of this builds toward one real game changer. We call it a transferable operation. What does that mean? It means anyone can grab your repair orders and help customers if you're out.
The math is a no-brainer. 5 minutes of notes a day saves your team from a 2-day nightmare.
So here's a test for you right now. Look at your desk. How long would it take?
For your manager to seamlessly take over. If they can't do it tomorrow, well, you know what to fix.